Hello mamas and welcome to Miss Stormy's page. Thank you so much for coming back again to see another hair episode from yours truly, Miss Stormy Rose Angel. Today we have a cute braided hairstyle with beads. It did take some time, but we were able to accomplish this beautiful style. I'm going to walk through it for you and show you exactly how I was able to accomplish this style. So sit back and enjoy the show. If you are new to our page, thank you for visiting. Don't forget to like some of Stormy's other hair videos. Also, don't forget to share some love with a like, comment, or subscribe. Ask any questions that you like. We love any type of feedback you'd love to give. So let's get right into this style. First off, you know I love to start with a freshly moisturized head right after a shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to make sure I stretch out her hair so that it's easy to comb through and brush through and really get the braids tight. Now smile for the camera, baby. So we're going to start off parting her hair straight across the middle, making sure that it is straight as possible. After we part the hair, then we can start doing the individual parts for the braids. Now when I'm parting her hair in the front, I do like to do a curved part. It just makes it easier, so just in case the lines aren't straight, when it's a curved part, it makes it look totally straight, so definitely would suggest that. And then after I part each part, I will brush it out so I can make sure the hair is fully stretched and easy to braid through. As I'm braiding the hair back, I'm just picking up a little piece of hair each time to make sure the hair fully goes all the way back to the end of the braid. So definitely took that tip off of YouTube from another video, and it's helped my braiding skills a lot. So I started in the middle and now I'm going all the way to the side. I just want to make sure I have enough room for her hair, so I always start in the middle and then the sides, and from the side I work my way up back to the middle. And as you can see, each braid has enough room and enough space when I do it that way. Now I'm going to work my way to the opposite side and start working that side up and then meet that side back to the middle. And I'm going to try to match it as close as possible to the opposite side so that it can look uniform once the top is finished. So I know I sped through, but I am finished with the top, and now I'm going to split the back in two parts. This just makes it look really clean and gives it more length in the end. I really like splitting her hair in two sections versus braiding straight down from top to bottom. So I'm doing the same thing for each section. I'm starting the part and starting it straight down the middle. I'm going to braid it down, and then I'm going to work my way from left right back into the middle and do the same thing on the opposite side. Now I am skipping to the bottom section as I have finished the middle, and I'm going to repeat the same thing that I've done on the first two sections. voila, we have finished the braids. All 3 sections are braided down. They look uniform, it looks great, and it is now time to start putting the beads on the braids. Of course, with the beads, you can use any type of combination that you'd like. I wanted something that would be universal this time. I typically do a lot of pink. I just did a little pink this time, but mostly clear and white, just so that it can match with any type of outfit that she wears. And here you have it. This is the final result. It turned out amazing. I think every time I practice braids, I get better and better. And I would suggest that you do the same. Just keep practicing because you just learn different techniques every time you braid your baby's hair. And it just turns out really, really great. And they stay longer than just putting up in a ponytail. So thank you so much for watching another episode of Miss Stormy's Hair. We can't wait to record and show you guys another style soon come. But in the meantime, share some love and we can't wait to see you again. Bye.